So you're curious what the market's doing. Don't worry, we're here to help you. So we ended up closing about 4.1 homes. That's the third year in a row that we've closed 4.1. 23, 24, 25, 4.1 million home sales. It's been pretty even. What's going to happen in 2026? Are interest rates going to drop? These are questions we get all the time. I think that we're going to see interest rates hover around 5.75 to 6% throughout the year. The Fed's pressed pause at the most recent update right now. There's been no change. And I think we're going to see this steady caution, not wanting to ruffle the feathers too much either way to cause any drastic change. The Feds are going to keep an eye on the unemployment rate. They're going to keep an eye on the inflation rate. It is still a little high. They want it to drop down. Not going to see any big changes is my guess. Where are we going to end up on home sales? I would imagine that in 2026, we do have a slight increase, and we're going to probably see 4.25 million home sales in the United States. Now, we're still having this unique difference in the Northeast compared to the rest of the country. The South has seen a big shift in the market. The markets in the South have gone more towards a balanced market. In the Northeast, we're still very much so a seller's market. Inventory is not there. Supply is not there, but the demand is there. So our prices have gone up. Now they're saying in 2026, we're going to see this cautious cooling of pricing across the country. And we might see a 2.5% appreciation compared to the 7, 8, 9, 10% appreciation we've seen over the last couple of years. However, in the Northeast, I anticipate we're going to outpace that. And our appreciation will still be more, at least on the average of 4%, 5% appreciation is my gut feeling. In January of last year, we closed the MLS in the capital region closed about 800 home sales. Right now, we've closed about 500 home sales. That's a huge difference year over year in a cooling of the market. And in the end of January and the beginning of February, we're going to see this big increase in inventory. Our team's already feeling it. The appointments, the calls, everything we're seeing is guiding us that this spring market is going to be a great real estate spring market. So if you're curious, if you need help, if you want to know what your home value is, give us a call. We're happy to help. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.